In this video, I show you how to fix Gboard recording, therefore WhatsApp temporary unable to record problem. For fixing this problem, go to your phone settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now find out Gboard, tap on Gboard, then tap on force stop, then OK, then tap on storage and cache, clear storage, then delete. Now go back. Now search for WhatsApp. Now tap on WhatsApp, force stop, OK, then tap on storage and cache, clear cache. Now open WhatsApp. Subscribe.